Hey guys, welcome back, and on this class we're going to be installing Deno and Denon, and I'm going to be installing on the Mac. So we just have Brill install and we're going to be using Brill on Mac, and hopefully if you're on Windows you're going to be using b003. So that's very simple. We just have to run Brill install Deno on the terminal. So let's bring terminal here, and now let's run this command. And that's pretty straightforward. And b003, you're gonna do the same, just run choco install Deno, and that's all we need to do. Once it's installed, we can type Deno-v Deno. Once it's installed, we can just call Deno-v, and that will give us the version. And if you already have Deno installed, please run Deno upgrade. And if you already have Deno installed, please run Deno update. And if you already have Deno installed, please run Deno upgrade. And this will upgrade it to the version 1.2.2 or the latest version we have currently. I'm asking to do this because some things we're gonna do are not compatible with old versions of Deno, so please be sure you have Deno upgraded. So next, I'm gonna put this to the side, and we're gonna be installing Denon. Denon is like NodeMon, but for Deno. So if you don't know what NodeMon is, we'll restart our application every time we save a file. So that makes a lot easier for us developing a server. We don't have to stop the server and restart the servers. Denon will do it for us. So very easy. Also just copy this command, and this is the same for Windows users and Mac users. And now I can just run it here, and that will install Denon for us. And it seems that the path here is wrong. It doesn't have that V anymore. So let's go back here, change that. Now it should work. So once that run, you can see Denon is now going to be installed on the path. So it already gives us here export path users Denon. So you can, if you're on Windows, it will show you what you need to do as well, and then we can just do that. And now we have Denon installed on our path. So that's pretty much it for this class, and I'll see you guys on the next class.